Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Ether Amara. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for some items, kitchenware that I was able to find at a decent low price that I've had my eyes on for a few years now. The brand that I'm going to be doing the unboxing with is going to be the Thyme Table brand. And this is one of their 12-piece cookware sets. This is their Essential Edition. It's in a really pretty hunter's green color, my personal favorite. And then it gives some information here about why this kitchenware set is really healthy for cooking. So I'm just going to read off of the box here. So this one is said to be 2 times double layer, water-based ceramic nonstick coating with abrasion resistance for durability. It's made without PTFE, FOA, and PFOs, cadmium, lead, or for healthier cooking. So this is a 12 piece, as I stated before. It is their Granite Collection Hunter Green. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. There's just a couple of little pointers here. It lets you know this is suitable for all cooktops. It is non-stick coating. It provides quick food release, heavy gauge forged construction, stay cool soft touch handle, and stainless steel induction base. So this one is going to come with a 10-inch fry pan. I'm just reading off of the top here that tells you what's inside of the box. So this one is a 10-inch fry pan. It has an 8-inch fry pan. It has a 6-quart stock pot and glass lid. Then it also has a 3.5-quart saucepan and glass lid, a 2.5-quart saucepan and glass lid, and then it has 4 cookware protectors. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So in the box here, I'm going to start. It has each pan individually wrapped. I'm just going to share what it looks like. It's really beautiful. It has gold accents and it's also hunter's green. I do love the green gold combo. Those are two of my favorite colors personally. And then it states here the Thyme Table brand. Really nice. It's very soft to the touch on the handle here. Very durable as it's stated on the box. So this is the first one. Then I'm really excited about the deep pans that they have. I do make a lot of soups and I love having a large size pot to cook in and cook with. So this is more of a smaller size pot. Definitely good for boiling, making rice, things like that. I've got that one. Then the next one here is a larger pan. And this is what that one looks like here. So you'll have 2 pots like this. And I like how you can easily stack them together. Really good. Then we have I believe these were the cookware protectors. So if you have any pans that you are removing directly from the eye and you want to protect your counter, these are heat protecting pads that you can set down and place the pot on top of. So you'll get they're really nice quality as well. It feels like maybe like a felt material. And it says Thyme Table in the middle there. Really nice. So you'll get smaller one for each size. pot, so they go up in size to the largest size, and you'll have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So really nice material. Then for these skillets, the larger size skillet, this one here, this is what this one's going to look like. Really nice size, really easy to hold. It's not like extremely heavy, hurting your wrist or anything. It's really nice. Then the last one is going to be the lids for the pot. So you'll have this size for the larger pot that I haven't shared just yet, but this is what the lids look like. Very nice gold accents on the top, clear, and it shows you here that it has these kind of grooved areas where it is able to let out steam. So really nice, good quality. So I'm just gonna take out each lid and test it out on each size. This is the smaller lid for the smaller pot, just to see how it fits on the pot there. I'm gonna take the smaller pot here and place the lid on. So it fits really nicely. It's very flush. You have like this kind of rubbery material that it really adheres to. Very nice. And then for the next size, I'm gonna have this one here for the larger pot here, and fits exactly the same as the other one. So I really like the quality here. It's very sturdy, very stable for cooking. And then the last pot here, which I like, is a decent size for cooking soups or stews. As a lot of you see here on my channel, I do a lot of stews and soups, different African cuisines. So this will definitely be something you'll see in my future videos, catching clips of how it cooks. And I'm gonna get the lid for this large one. Here we go. And then here's the lid for that one. So it fits really nicely. So I'm definitely really excited about this purchase. It was definitely worth it. And I'm definitely interested in finding some of their cookware tools, such as natural made wooden spoons and spatulas. I wasn't able to find any that I was interested in the store when I picked this one up, except for this olive wood spatula that I wanted to use with it because it's definitely more non-toxic and very easy to clean. So this is just what that looks like. Easy to use, easy to clean. And that is going to be it for this unboxing. I'm definitely excited to use these, get them cleaned up, and see how well my foods dry up with the skillets. I will definitely leave a link to their website below. You can find their items on their website. Also, I purchased mine from my local Walmart, so they do sell them locally. They have lots of different colors, lots of different styles, so very well worth the purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please give it 2 thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs, recipes, and reviews. Thank you so much for watching.